Ntar yuk.
Okay, hello, good evening. We are Oceana Uliburu Girsang and I am YOHANA Elizabeth. We want to present about how to determine the order of the reactions and the effect of concentrations of the rate of the reactions. I am YOHANA Elizabeth, will explain how to determine the order of the reactions, and my partner Oceana Uliburu Girsang will explain about the effect of concentrations on the rate of the reactions. Okay, the first one, I will explain about the determining the order of the reaction. Well, how to determining the order of reactions? The first one that we must know that the reaction rate formula is obtained by comparing two experiments of the reactions with different concentrations. So I will explain this based on these examples. So here, we have 2A plus B produce 2C plus D. And this is the following data. We have 3 experiments with 2 concentrations, A concentrations and B concentrations, and this is the rate of reactions. For this data, the order of reactions A and B can be found by comparing the reactions of 2 experiments. So in this, the order of the reactions A, we make it as X, and the order of the reactions B as Y. Okay, the first one is how to determine the order of B concentrations. Imagine it's X. So the formula is, to make this formula, we must see where is the A concentrations is same in between these 3 experiments, which is in 1 and 2, A concentration is same because we want to find the B order reaction. So the formula becomes to V1 over V2 equals to K times concentrations A X degree times concentrations BY degree over K times concentrations A X degree times concentrations BY degree. So in reactions for the first experiment, we know that it is a 0 times 0 egg, and for the rate of reactions for experiments 2, we have 0 times 1 6. So for the first experiment, A for the first experiment, and then B for the first experiment. So it becomes K times 0.2. We know it is a concentrations for the first experiment, and then X degree times 0.1. We know it as concentrations B in the first experiment, Y degree over K times 0.2. This is as A concentrations in the second experiment, X degree times 0.2, 0.2 as B concentrations in the second experiment, a Y degree. So we find that 0.08 over 0.16, it equals to 1 over 2 equals 2, and then the K and K is gone, and then 0.2x, 0.2x is gone too because they're same, and then we have a 0.1 over 0.2 Y degree. So we find that it is 1 over 2 Y degree. So we can find from this that Y equals to 1. So this is the order for the B concentrations. And then how to find the order of reactions A? So we must find that where is the B concentrations is same. So the B concentrations is same in 2 and 3 experiments. So we use 2 and 3 experiments to find X. So the formula becomes to V2 over V3 over equals to K times concentrations AX degree times concentration BY degree over 2 K times concentration AX degree times concentration BY degree. we know that the concentrations, the rate of reactions for the second experiments is 0.16 over the rate of reactions for the third experiments is 0.64. It equals to K. The A concentrations in the second order is 0.2. So this is 0.2 x degree times. For the concentrations B in second experiments is 0.2. So this is 0.2 and then y degree over K times the A concentrations for third experiments is 0.4. So this is 0.4 x degree times. And then the B concentrations for the third reactions is 0.2 y degree. So in this, we find that 0.16 over 0.64 is 1 over 4. It equals to k times 0 to x over k times 0 for x is gone because they are same. So we have, no, I mean k times 0.2y over k0 to 4y degree is gone because they are same. So we have 0.2x over 0.4x. So 0.2 over 0.4 is 1.2 x degrees. So we find from this that x equals to 2. So the x is the order of directions A. So the order of directions is x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. Remember that x equals to 2 as the order of directions A and y equals to 1 is the order of direction 1. So the total order of directions is x plus y equals to 2 plus 3 equals to 3. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. And the formula for the reactions is V equals to K times A concentrations to degree times B concentrations. So this is the questions that you must do by yourself. Do it based on the example before, and then you pause the video and then you try to do these questions. After that, you continue the video and you will see the discussions in here. And you can check your answers. And then the next discussions will be explained by my partner, Osi. Please, Osi.
Thank you, Johanna. So I want to explain about factors affecting the rate of reaction. But before that, I want to explain about the meaning of rate of reaction. So the rate of reaction is the change in the concentrations of a reactant or product in a unit of time. The reaction rate has units of molarity per second, describing the change in concentration molarity of a substance in a certain time. So there is more factor affecting that the factors affecting the rate of reaction. Some of them are material size, temperature, stirring, concentration, molarity, catalysis, touch, surface area. The factor that will be discussed here is the effect of concentration on the rate of reaction. Concentration effect is concentration is one of the things that affects the rate of a reaction. The greater the concentration of the reactants, the greater the rate of the reaction. This is because a large concentration indicates that the molecules in a substance also become more numerous. The number of these molecules also increase the chance of a collision that causes a reaction to occur. So this is we can see the picture about change of concentration. So if this is in the first concentration increase and then move to concentration degree, dapat kita lihat bahwa di concentration increase is the molecule is lebih sedikit daripada di konsentrasi besar. Jadi semakin banyak molekul, maka semakin kecil konsentrasinya, dan jika molekulnya sedikit, maka tumbukan jarang terjadi, sehingga laju reaksinya rendah. Tetapi jika molekulnya banyak sehingga sering terjadi tumbukan dan mengakibatkan laju reaksi yang tinggi. So this is about my explain about the rate of reaction in concentration. Saya kembalikan kepada Yohana. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you so much, Osi, for the great explanations. So this is the end of the presentations. So thank you for your attentions. I stop share. Okay, thank you for your attentions. Thank you, guys. I am YOHANA ELISABET.
I am Oceano Libor Girsang.
With thanks for all of your attentions. Thank you.